Wow, that's abuse. Olivier tried to break my nose. Listen, I'll get you back. I'll get you back. Ow, 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 ow. If it's not Olivier who beat me up, it's Andre. Hello. Oh. Olivier's seen the camera that is like it's on, and he's just attracted to it. Olivier, are you going to be a film star? Because you love the camera. The camera loves you, baby. Olivier. Can you hear Mummy next door? Mummy's going, Olivier. Olivier. I've got photographs. Happy. Help me.
Hello. This is one of his favorite things. Are you ready? Horsey? Are you steady? And you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? You steady? And
Why are you laughing at me when I'm talking to the camera? Anyway, so I'm took him out for a walk. Gonna go down to the park, feed some ducks, get some food, grab a coffee, then I'll be picking up Andre. I'm quite grateful that I can do stuff like this because when Andre was younger, with me working away in a previous life, with me working away, I missed quite a lot of Andre in his developmental, is that the right word? During the early stages anyway, so I get to, being self-employed now, I get to spend lots of time with Andre Olivier. It's lots of late nights, but it's all good. Get to do stuff like this with this little man. Don't miss a thing. Why do you always laugh at me? He always laughs at me without fail, constantly. See if I'm getting changed. Laughs. It's not good for my complex if you just laugh at me all the time, son. Eh? You can't just laugh at me all day, every day. You know that. Right, this is where we've come to feed all the birds. Olivier. What are you staring at? Hey yeah. Hey yeah. Hey yeah. Hey yeah. Did you see the birdies outside? Can you see all the birdies outside? See all the birdies outside there? Got my coffee. Olivier's got his food there. He's happy. Yeah! Well, Olivier's had his tantrum for the day. Ain't that right, son? Should we go feed the birdies? Feed the... Oh, don't headbutt that. I suddenly feel like the woman off there, Home Alone, with all the birds on her. Go away, birdies. We've got none left. Help! We're surrounded by birds. Right, we're going to leave the birds now. We're going to go to the park and have a little play. Olivier, unfazed, did not care that we were surrounded by birds. Olivier's all excited for the steam train that's about to go off. I would go on it, but I haven't got any change with me. Sorry, son, I haven't got any change. I'm sorry. We will come back though. This I can promise you. Say, choo choo, choo choo.
Good morning guys, sorry I forgot to finish the vlog last night. Richard went out so I had the boys and it totally slipped my mind. What we're doing now, it is Saturday, feels like a Sunday. We're in Andre's room. I'm over here sorting out stuff, Olivier's stuff, so anything that's for charity, it's going to charity, things that are too small, blah blah blah. So we're going to be sorting out the wardrobe. Got some of Andre's and Olivier's skincare stuff here, which I need to sort. There's some over there. You can see we use quite a bit of this. Richard uses that as well. I like to use these ones and the balm. And then I tell you what's really good as well. This. And this I got from Waitrose. There's barely anything in that. It's really good. It's like no nonsense. And this is empty. I don't know why it's still in there. It's empty now. This was actually really good.
Oh, so I do have missiles.
And it came. Yeah, you have spares, but you keep losing them all.
Daddy, I've got missiles.
This came in a set. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. This little apple comb.
Yeah.
Right. So what Andre is doing is his room is never like this, by the way, but it's just because we're pulling everything out. We're setting stuff into 3 piles, and this is how we do it, right? So if you've got kids and you just don't know where to start, this is how we do it. 3 piles. How many piles? 3. So we have 3 piles. It's going to be one for stuff you always play with, stuff you sometimes play with, stuff you never play with. Stuff you never play with, charity. Or
Stuff I don't want to play with.
yeah, but I'm keeping them because I gave you them. I had them as a kid, so I'm keeping them.
Okay.
And them ones as well.
What should I do with this one?
I have no idea what that is. Right. So then, anything that you never play with goes to charity. Unless it's valuable, then it can go into storage. anything you sometimes play with, then depending on what it is, keep. If you think that you're just playing with it for the sake of it, then it could go to charity, and then anything you always play with, obviously you keep. And then what we'll do from there is sort into categories. So all Lego goes together, all cars go together, and then they'll have their own separate tub. Now, it sounds like it's a bit lengthy, but it's really quick. And then I find if you lose something, or if you put it away like in its proper place, then you never really lose things. And if you do, then it doesn't take as long to find it. So that is the method.
You know you've got a big boy when his hat fits your head. Right. Don't know why I'm panting and puffing. Tired. Your room's tidy? Eh? Yeah. Ain't that good? I don't know why you've got your badge on. Let's see your badge.
Because I'm 8 today.
You're not. Well, you are 8 today technically, but it's not your birthday. When's your birthday?
Today.
It's not today. When's your birthday?
Today.
I said, when's your birthday? When's your birthday?
The 24th of June.
Its birthday's in December, by the way. So,
Aww.
it's been a good tidy day today. Wow, I've got double chins. Look. It looks like I've got loads of chins.
Don't take from Amazing World of Gumball when he has...
Amazing World of Gumball?
Yeah, when Richard has 6 chins.
Who, me, Richard?
No, the Richard from Amazing
World of Gumball. Okay. This is his lovely room inside here. Well, he's got some of Oliviér's stuff in there. But he's got his books and Andre's clothes and his sneaker collection. Get John Cena out of here. So his room is tidy. He's got his little reading corner. Andre's a good reader. He likes to read. Right, Andre, say bye to the peeps.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. We're going now. I've got to terrorise this one a little bit. By the way, what?
My birthday's on the 7th of June.
Oh, it's not the 7th of June. Anyway, see you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, click, share, all that stuff. See you later.